So now that your trust is signed, it is a legal and binding document. A trust doesn't do you much good though if your assets are not titled in the name of your trust. In California, if you have more than $160,000 in combined assets outside of the trust, it will cause a probate to get those assets to the trust via the pour-over will. So let's review some common assets and how to get those assets into the trust. First off, your home. A deed filed with the county recorder's office shows who owns a particular piece of real estate. If you are one of my clients, I took care of putting your real estate in your trust by recording a deed with the county recorder that transferred ownership to your trust. If you have refinanced since putting your home into your trust, be sure to verify that the lender did not take your home out of your trust, which is sometimes what happens. Now, usually if the lender does require the home to come out of the trust, they will put it back into the trust as well. If you are not sure, feel free to contact me and I'll check for you. I have instances where the lender did not put the home back into the trust, or they put it back into the trust, but they got the name of the trust incorrect. So it's definitely worth checking out. Your trust should hold title to your home, rental properties, and any out-of-state properties as well. Now, accounts, bank accounts, whether it be savings, checking, CD, stock, or brokerage accounts, they should be in the trust. In order to transfer ownership to your trust, ask your bank or financial institution to transfer ownership of your accounts. They deal with this kind of request frequently and will know exactly what to do. They will want to see the trust, but instead of showing them the whole trust, you can give them your certification of trust or trust certificate in your estate planning binder. Now, all banks seem to request different things. Some will want to see the first and last page of your trust as well. And others will ask you to fill out their own certification of trust form, which is usually not too difficult. Of course, if you have any questions, please contact me. Now, for stocks that are not in a brokerage account, you will need to contact the company or stock registration provider, such as Computershare, which is a very common one, to transfer your stock into the trust. They will provide the paperwork that they need. Again, I'm here to help, so please don't hesitate to contact me. Now, let's move on to retirement accounts. Retirement accounts cannot be titled in the name of the trust. Those are controlled by the beneficiary designations your custodian has on file. Most of the time, you do not want to name your trust as beneficiary for tax reasons, but it depends on your estate plan. Now, life insurance is also controlled by beneficiary designations that the insurance company has on file for you. Listing the trust almost always doesn't have any negative tax consequences, and it is usually what you will want to do. So those are some of the most common assets that people have. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And if there is an asset you have that was not covered in this video, I would be happy to talk to you about what needs to be done. So thanks so much for watching.